Gainesville Regional Utilities Deposit Bond. What is Gainesville Regional Utilities Deposit Bond? A Gainesville Regional Utilities Deposit Bond is a surety bond that guarantees payment of utility bills and fees for customers who are required by GRU to provide a security deposit. Instead of paying cash up front, the customer uses the bond as a financial guarantee. The surety promises to cover unpaid utility charges if the customer fails to pay. Why is Gainesville Regional Utilities Deposit Bond required? The GRU requires this bond to protect the utility company from financial losses due to non-payment or delinquent accounts. It ensures that customers with limited credit history, higher risk profiles, or new service accounts still meet GRU's deposit requirements. The bond provides financial security without GRU having to collect a cash deposit. How does Gainesville Regional Utilities Deposit Bond work? The customer purchases the bond from a surety, which guarantees payment to GRU if bills go unpaid. If GRU files a valid claim for unpaid charges, the surety pays GRU and then seeks reimbursement from the customer. As long as the customer pays their utility bills on time, no claims are filed and the bond remains in place as their deposit guarantee. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.